How to make Facebook account completely private. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you make Facebook account completely private. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top left, tap on your profile icon. Now from your profile section, tap on three lines. From here, tap on lock profile. Simply tap on lock your profile at the bottom. Alright, after you lock their profile, only your friends can see the photos, post or stories on your profile. As you can also change the privacy settings. For that, from here at the bottom, tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on three lines at the top left. Now from here, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. From here, tap on settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option for profile details. Now from here, find all of your details like your place, your phone number, and simply make sure it is set to be only me. For that, simply tap on pencil icon. Now from here, tap on public at the top left. From here, you can choose the option for only me. After you set all of the details for only me, you'll be able to manage your personal details. As usual, you can back from here and tap on the option how people find you and contact you. From here, at the first, who can send you friend request, tap on that. Now from here, you can choose for the option friend of friend instead of everyone. Tap on save at the bottom. Now from here, again at the second one, who can see your friend list, you can see for only me. Tap on save at the bottom. And as usual, you can do it for same for your phone number. After that, your Facebook account will be completely private. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.